Sorry, I'm going to take a person to the camera.
Oh no, oh, go on.
No, good morning, good morning. You introduce us.
You just search. What the man? Yeah, can we go search? That's in the place.
Morning.
Good morning. Listen, so I rush and carry upon one summons in my house. Upon one search warrant for my house.
Is he here?
This is my house.
But is he here?
Yeah.
Okay. Then that's all we need to know.
Which lines?
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Before we start, yeah, when it's about value, most of we need to know.
No.
We need to prove.
No.
Who that drink from?
My cousin.
Huh?
My cousin.
Where's the man? Here you come now.
You know, so yesterday I read this and say, oh no, approach me, this is not the right way. I mean, no, me can't read, you know. No, because me ask where reason and everything and everybody they come in. And but Russian Clark is not living here and I'm asking questions.
And the police clearing the house to ensure their safety.
But that's something I have been doing now. I know this guy been here for how long, so me not understand.
Yeah. Alright, so what go on here say is the police are try, you know what I mean? Not try, me, you know what I mean? Me I put myself in another position to start make judgment as yet. But the woman I say is like them a harass, you know what I mean? She fly down, you know what I mean, for her house, but them a harass her based on the fact say yo, she own a house like that. You know what I mean? Or she able if can, you know what I mean, own a house like that. You understand? And she have a history with the police them in the sense that a whole heap of little things like, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna say Badmind, but you know what I mean? Some little incident happened in the past where she knows that the police them might have prayer. However, the police them stance, it seeming this is that. Scamming a go on. You know what I mean? So, what you think? You think of the right way the police them a go about this? You understand? By harassing them without proof. You understand? Because the woman go as far as to say a car burn up in her yard and nobody now investigate it. You understand? And you know, the best thing for you to do is just listen to the video. You know what I mean? And tell me what you think. Use up the comments.
I don't like this man either. Everybody knows that you're saying that. Several times he came here and he's been here. And him not go nowhere. When you know him been here, I don't like him every time when you come. And then you pass him on the road back and forth every single day, so I don't understand. Especially. What you do now? No, but this is somewhere I'm every day. Everybody know that you is here.
Yes?
You know what I not understand, Jody? They know this man is here. They come more than once. Me have videos when I put up more than once them been coming. And then pass the man back and forth every day upon the road. You know me I wait for when you're so done to see this. Me they wait for in here so we finish to see them a come. And every time you come, I see him place to search over and over again. You can't come at people yard so often and think we go have something in here and you come every single time. So you that stupid, so? I'm not searching Charlie till then crooked. Me now what? I have more than one time you search. You know, say I'm not crooked this, so. I'm not search it till it's tired. I'm going to go show people from my life what I talk about. Because every single time, this is what happened. People, this is something they do so often. So often, like, me used to this by now. And the funny thing, I have one car outside the burn, you know. See it? The car outside burn, this bin burn. I never ever see nobody come ask me no farmer question towards this. Never. And my car in my yard burn and a 4th time now they come here. This is going to make it 5th time now. Me have police come to my yard. Nobody not ask me about no car. Nobody not come check my safety. And this is what they keep doing. You see, man, that they got my house, him come here every time. Every single time easier. I mean, nobody send them, you know. I know exactly where this come from. I sent them, I done live, and I go get a full 100 about this. Because I know everything behind this. Now I have a little friend they said, no, it's the team up and said, no, come. I say work.
Yeah, so thanks for joining us, you understand? We're not going to have the news tonight because TVJ said we cease and desist, you understand? So, you know what I mean? We have to just carry the news to straight, you understand? And make it a discussion, you understand? So, this situation is, you know what I mean? The people, they must say the police harass them, you know what I mean? Accuse them of being involved in scamming. I don't know whether these people are scammers or not, but the woman is saying that she fly down from foreign. She build her house and the police just badmind her and them does not, it seem like them does not like her, you know what I mean? A car burn up in her yard, you understand? And nobody come to do the proper diligence to find out who burn up her car, You understand? But now them want to dig down her place and look for gun. And them a do it more than one time. You understand? So she a say, if you not come in on my place every minute and I dig up my place, I think me I got have illegal, you know what I mean, things in my place. Harass me basically, she a say. Don't know if the police have proper grounds, if them do them due diligence and see say how them people are implicated in scamming. You know what I mean? I know this is an interesting story. So tell me, what do you think? Woman say them burn up her car and no one come to look and find out. Them only come take picture and one bag of something. Them need to investigate to find out who burn up her car. She nearly go as far as say you them burn up her car. No? So me I wonder what kind of history this woman have with the police. You know what I mean? It seems like the police and the yard don't depend good terms. You understand? I don't know the thing set. You understand? But one thing. Hey, tell me if you don't know about that story. Because I see it circulating. You see it and I figure say yo.
Back
You know what I mean? You might want to pre this. You see?
You cover up and something can come off. I mean go to my bed. Me did in my bed. I want a little peace now. Me tired of not come wake me up 4 o'clock in the morning time, you know. Me kind of get tired of this. You know, just breeze me now, man. Like, I don't want me to run with fire, so. I don't search a draw the non-journal if you push in. see, so they may take up a book here. I say, oh, then come and approach me. Nothing about that book I say. Then I do it. If I read you, see. And for some reason, you know, when I take up this already, you know, and this a page on my reach button. And from any other page.
Yeah, so remember if you go up to ISUPK, you know what I mean? ISUPK on YouTube and Facebook, you know what I mean? Follow the pages, you know what I mean?
Everybody
and subscribe to the channels. You understand? Whole heap of information over there, you understand? Yeah, man. And go to isupk.com, you understand? Download the app. You understand? It's very crucial in these times, you understand? You know what I mean? We in a 2021 now. Let me say I just 2020 with a one ad on it, you know. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? When I need the UPK in a them time, is it? Remember to like this video and share, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. TVJ, you know what I mean? Them give us a warning to cease and desist. You know what I mean? We can't upload them news any longer. You know what I mean? So what we are going to do, we are going to strategically, you know what I mean, arrange a set of news, you know what I mean, and make it a platform where you guys can come, you know what I mean, elaborate, you understand, have a discussion, you know what I mean, and you know what I mean, we'll just bring the news to you directly, is it? Yeah, man. So, you know what I mean, apologies for that, you know what I mean, I know the thing go, you know what I mean, no, we could do it forever, but we're going to improvise, we now make that stop with, is it? Yeah, man. We don't accept defeat. You understand?
They don't say to nobody. You sure I'm on search warrant? We're not even my name and my place. So every time when I come in and search a gun and everything, when I come here more than once, you know, more than once, 3 times more than out of 1 month when I come here. That search a gun, so with that stupid stuff, you know, so when I come here every day and have gun in here, you're smarter than that. Me think you're smarter than that. We can pass every day upon the road and been a come here and we have gun in here and you must love me house. And I must love inside here. Especially you. You come here so often. Then set you up on me. Then half you set you up on me. Tell a friend to stop sending you on my place, man.
Your friend. That sound personal, you know, like, you know what I mean? Your friend means that you know who I send him. You know what I mean?
You know, come like, you know what, every piece of me add on for my house. I look on the deck and looking at and nothing else to come about.
Personal something this one.
Woke up, baby, poor pitney out of bed. I love you, don't. I go ask God to tell you to leave me alone, you know, because you love me place, you know. And I go left you in a God's hands because you really love me place. You don't know who send you or where you look for, but you really love me place. Every day you pass me on the road. If you pass 10 times on the road, you have to stop me. You're loving at my house. One of you know people are idiot for know, so now only they come every day. Because no soup tell me say every day only must send people come here. So me an idiot for have some illegal inside here. I am not that stupid. Me no fool. And if you don't work your right way, man, go find out who burn me car out there, so. When a friend want to send come burn me car. And I come friend, every day they make way for people to come kill because as far as me see it, and that I do. Your friend send people come like me car, they come take the picture and ensure say job done. And no please to leave me alone. Because God don't put nothing silent, you know. Oh.
Interesting.
Me say for the next piece when it's complete, me I wait for nothing come look in the house. Because when they drive past at night time and I drive come in, come look, you know. When I drive come look for switch party reach. Remember say me know what I do. Remember say me can't burn a that to no do too. And then no drive in and no take picture and no leave. Me I wonder how comes that investigation they can't done pan the car burn.
And remember to like the video, you know, you see it? Like, share, comment, you know what I mean? Tell me what you think.
I'm kind of tired down now. I want some peace. I need some peace. I'm tired down now. I have to know who's stupid for know say every time police are come here come dig up them place to leave them place dirty. I have to know who's so fool. You not target your wrong set of people and you not see that. Do the right thing, man, because you know the right thing. And stop make bad mind take on over sometime. And stop make people setting up on people who they feel like when they want to setting up on and do the right thing. I will away you, man, you know. You all think one have and one blow something and one gun pan no waste. You will away you, man. No stop timing people, man.
Man, I dig down the jar, man, like him want to pop out the jar.
He not searching
Man,
nothing,
so.
girl. You see, when they
Man,
search him
mash up
come
the
here,
jar.
every trip where they make, him is a part of the trip. Him not searching nothing. Me I tell you that. No, him not in here inside out. Him not searching nothing. Nothing him not search for.
Man, I deal with the jar way a while ago like him want to pop it out. Or mash it up.
There's a light for the closet, you know, sir. A man, let's stay want me. Then for the year, so one man they road me. And so then go send them. They don't want me and no man.
Okay. I tell you.
Him not tired. Not tired no inna him. Your little friend send him not tired.
Yeah, so tell me what you think, you know what I mean? Boy, it's set away. People them say the police are harass them. You know what I mean? Don't know how true it be. You understand? Don't know how true it be. So, you know what I mean? Boy, it's set away. We know say them thing they do happen. You understand? However, upon the other hand, the police are say them a scammer.
Come in.
Police are say them a scammer, you see it? You know what I mean? Which, me show you something. You see in the ghetto, you see if you start do good for yourself, first thing them are going to say, yo, you're a scammer. You know what I mean? I am not saying these people are not scammers. You understand? But me understand and know I ghetto people have to go through. You know what I mean? Just to get by in a life in this world. So, you know what I mean? Boy, I don't know. The woman go to the life. She go as far as to go live. For sure say harassment. You know what I mean? Because them yet for find nothing upon the people them. And them still a dig. You understand? But you know watch the tape, you know see what go on. Tell me what you think. You understand? You know a whole heap of scammers there in Jamaica, you see me? But are these people scammers? You see me?
Turn on him now.
Yeah man, you like and share, you know what I mean? Share it round on Facebook too, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know what I mean? Share it up in some group and them thing there, you see me?
Step forward, step forward.
Yeah, man.
Turn, I've been thinking of person to the camera.
Oh, no. Oh, go on.
No, good morning. You introduce us.
You just search. What the man? go search that to me, please.
Morning.
Good morning. Listen. So I rush and carry upon one summons in my house. Upon one search warrant for my house.
Is he here?
This is my house.
But is he here?
Yeah.
Okay. Then that's all we need to know.
Yeah, man. Remember to go to ISUPK
Which
on
line?
Facebook and YouTube. Subscribe and, you know what I mean, follow the pages. You understand? Whole heap of knowledge. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Before we start,
Never been know.
before we start, yeah, when it comes to value in the house that we need to know about.
No.
We need to be clear.
No.
Who that drink from?
My cousin.
Huh?
My cousin.
Where's he? Here you come.
Come on, see, you look like we can't live in peace. Come there, I look what they see. That's why I see it. You don't understand.
You know, so yesterday I read this and I say, oh no, approach me, this is not the right way. I mean, no, me can't read, you know. No, because me ask where reason and everything and everybody they come in.
No, but you're in
And
the search warrant, and the thing is,
but
the police
Rochelle Clark is not living here and I'm asking
And
question.
the police clearing the house to ensure their safety.
But that's something I wanna been doing, you know. I know this guy been here for how long, so me not understand.
Yeah, do your work. You can't want break from your work. If you want a break, then take leave. But me want a break now. You can't bother the police and not make a margin.
I don't like this man I hide. Everybody knows that you're saying
that.
several times you came here and he's been here. And him not go nowhere. When you know him been here, I don't like him I hide. Every time when you come. And then you pass him on the road back and forth every single day, so I don't understand. Especially. What do you do now?
I'll find you like. How we look online, eh? How we find you like?
No, but this is somewhere I'm every day. Everybody know that you is here.
Police now. We don't understand this now.
Occupation. You represent the field. Which one was here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, what's it?
Go ahead, son.
You know what I don't understand, Jody? They know this man is here. They come more than once. Me have videos of me put up more than once them been coming. And then pass the man back and forth every day upon the road. You know me I wait for when you're so done to see this. Me they wait for in here so fi finish to see them a come. And every time you come, I see him place to search over and over again. You can't come at people yard so often and think we go have something in here and you come every single time. So you're that stupid, so? No search and try till then crooked. Me now what? Have more than one time you search, you know, say I'm not crooked this, so. When you search it till it's tired.
Remember to like the video, you see what I say? Yeah man, share upon on the social media pages, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Alright, so the family are accused the police of harassment, you know what I mean?
Because
the woman
every
good,
single time this is what happened.
And a bad mind, you know what I mean? Them a dig her down every minute, you understand? I say, yo, she a scammer or who she, you know what I mean? Who she associated with are scammers. You understand? Tell me what you think, you know what I mean? Use up the comments, you know what I mean? Use up the chat, you know what I mean? Yeah man, it's a discussion, you know what I mean? Because this happen frequently, you know. Yeah? It's like them that likes to get up people arise. However, me nah say them people are no scammer. You understand? A whole heap of scammer they about. But do you think this is the right way to go about this? You understand? Because you come dig them up last week, you dig them up last month, and the month before that. You know what I mean? You don't find nothing. And you come back and you still not find nothing. You understand? Is this the right way? The woman say her car burn up. And no one come to figure out what go on with her car in her yard, you have to see it. You understand? So why is it that, you know what I mean, it's like the police have them on a blacklist. You get to me and say, a crime was done to them and the police never care about it. But the police more interesting in arresting them for a crime. You get me?
So often.
So what want to think? Tell me what you think.
Like, me used to this.
Yeah man, Milton, what go on? Hey, Milton, TVJ say me can't upload them news again.
See it?
You know what I mean?
Outside burn.
They say them go strike my channel, so we have to improvise.
I never ever see nobody.
However, you know we don't admit defeat, you know.
You
know what I mean? We don't accept
defeat.
So here we figure out a way to find some news good. You see it? Yeah
me
man.
have police come at me yard.
But big up yourself, Milton.
No
you know
care,
what
nobody
I mean?
no can check my safety. And this is what they keep doing.
Boy, I don't know what to tell you.
You see, man, they got my house. Him come here every time. Every single time.
See, care there.
I mean, nobody send them, you know. I know exactly where this has come from. I sent them, I done live, and I go get a full 100 about this. Because I know everything behind this.
Okay, whole heap of thing there behind this.
Now, I have a little friend, they said, no, the team on up and still no come.
Okay.
I say work. Arkansas. I know if you're a friend of theirs, we said you go and search. Him say man no see third time. And he up on the road every day too. Back and front him pass we come. The cover up and the something can come off. I mean go to my bed. I did it in my bed.
Yeah, man. So remember to like and share, you know what I mean? Share this video upon on the social media platforms, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Cause, yo, this look like your typical form of injustice. You understand? The woman are do good in her life. I can't tell you, know. This is just my interpretation of what I see her go on. You know what I mean? She do good, so I must scam him. Though, must scam, she a scam, according to them. So, you know what I mean? Share around the video so, you know what I mean? It can reach more people, you understand? Like, remember when you like the algorithm, share the video, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself and, you know what I mean? Good night to everybody watching, you see it?
I don't search a draw the non-journal if you push in. Yesterday, I take up a book here. I say, oh, then come and approach me. Not about what a book I say. You're not doing it. If you read, you see. And for some reason, you know, when I take up this and read, you know, and this a page on the reach button. Everybody know him. Everybody know this man. This man been there back and forth.
Can't be paper at all.
What's up, Morgan? Yeah, Dinky, come here.
So how am I gonna come?
Not even that they no say to nobody.
How am I gonna come?
Sure, the search warrant.
Eh?
Sure, the search warrant.
You sure want search warrant will not even my name and my place.
My law book, you know, so we go in line, so he said we're supposed to ask why we don't come on to the there. So I asked why I'm there. This no tell no search, we're gonna
They know that's right. They know
They
that's right.
So every time when I come in and search it gun and everything, when I come here more than once, you know. More than once. 3 times more than out of 1 month when I come here. That search a gun, so with that stupid stuff, you know, so when I come here every day and have gun in here. You're smarter than that. Me think you're smarter than that. We can pass every day upon the road and we come here and we have gun in here and you must love me house. And I must love inside here. Especially you. You come here so often. Then set you up on me. Then have to set you up on me. Tell a friend to stop sending you on my place, man.
Alright, next one.
Who's that?
Next one.
Mr. Tom.
You come like you don't want to see every little piece of me add on for my house. I look on the deck and looking at and nothing else no come about. Woke up, baby, poor picnic out of bed. I love you, don't. I go ask God to tell you to leave me alone, you know, because you love me place, you know. And I go left you in a God's hands because you really love me place. You don't know who send you or where you look for, but you really love me place. Every day you pass me on the road. If you pass 10 times on the road, you have to stop me. You're loving at my house. One of you know people are idiot for know, so now only they come every day. Because no soup tell me say every day only must send people come here. So me are idiot for have some illegal inside here. I am not that stupid. Me no fool. When if you do no work your right way, man, go find out who burn me car out there so. When a friend wanna send come burn me car. And I come every day they make way for people if you come kill because as far as me see it, that I do. Your friend will send people come like me car, come take the picture and ensure say job done. Wanna please to leave me alone. Because God don't put nothing silent, you know. Oh. Me say for the next piece when it's complete, me I wait for nothing come look in the house. Because when they drive past at night time and I drive come in, come look, you know. When I drive come look for switch party reach. Remember say me know what I do. Remember say me car burn that to no do too. And then no drive in and no take picture and no leave. Me I wonder how comes that investigation they can't done pan the car burn.
Yeah, I didn't tell him.
Okay, I tired down now. I want some peace. I need some peace. I tired down now. I want to know who's stupid for know say every time police are come here come dig up them place, they leave them place dirty. I want to know who's so fool. You not target a wrong set of people when you not see that. Do the right thing, man, because you know the right thing. And stop make bad mind take on over sometime. And have make people setting up on people who they feel like when they want to setting up on. And do the right thing. I will away are you, man, you know. The whole thing one have and want blow something and want gun pan no waste. The whole away are you, man. No stop timing people, man. You not searching nothing, girl. You see when they search, him come here. Every trip they make, him is a part of the trip. Him not searching nothing. Me I tell you that. No, him not in your inside out. Him not searching nothing. Nothing him not search for. There's a light for the closet, you know, sir. A man, let's stay want me then for a year. So one man they road me. And so then go send him. They don't want me and no man.
Sorry.
Him not tired. Not tired no in a him. Your little friend send him not tired.
Yeah, so, you know what I mean? Milton say, yo, they must like Mama, but here what go on, man. It look like somebody like Mama. Because she say every time she bring a man, there's a problem. So, maybe somebody down at the precinct like Mama and, you know what I mean? Them don't want to see Mama care nobody come at the yard there. You see it? Like a jealousy. I can't that, you know? You know what I mean? Which, you know what I mean? That petty. You know what I mean? That big petty. You get what me I say? Yeah, man, that lame out. You understand? So you go harass the woman and harass people around her because of some petty thing. You know what I mean? Some feelings. It seems like a feelings, man. You see it? Because you come back over and over and over. You know, find nothing. You know, tap, man. You see, you know, tap. Or if you feel like them implicated in a something, try catch them another way. Because obviously you're not going to catch them that way there. You understand? I mean, I tell you still. Yeah, man, and remember to like the video. You get what me I say? Yeah, man, share. You know what I mean? Share it on a social media platform. You know the thing go. You go to isupk.com. You know what I mean? You download the app. You get what me I say? Whole heap of crucial information in them time. You see it? You not go regret it. Trust me. You understand? You need them knowledge there in them time. You get me? Yeah, man. So ISUPK, check we out on YouTube as well and Facebook. You know the thing already. You see me?
Gentlemen, step forward. Step forward. Turn, I'm going to take a person to the camera.
Oh, no. Go on.
Step forward.
No, good morning. Good morning. You introduce us.
You just search. What, come on? Yeah, we go search. That's in the place.
Morning.
Good morning. Listen, So I rush and carry up on one summons in my house. Upon one search warrant for my house.
Is he here?
This is my house.
But is he here?
Yeah.
Okay. Then that's all we need to know.
One, step forward. Step forward.
Which lines?
Straight.
Yes, sir.
Before we start.
And then I mean,
Before we start.
eh?
Yeah, when it comes value in the most that we need to know about.
No.
We need to be clear.
No.
Who that drink from?
My cousin.
Huh?
My cousin.
Where's the man? Here you come from.
You know, so yesterday I read this and I say, oh no, approach me, this is not the right way. I mean, no, me can't read, you know. No, because me I ask where reason and everything and everybody they come in. And
the thing is,
but Russian Clark is not living here and I'm asking question.
And the police clearing the house to ensure their safety.
But that's something I have been doing now. I know this guy been here for how long, so me not understand.
Yeah, do your work. You can't want break from your work. If you want a break, then take a leave. But me want a break now. You can't have the police and not make a margin.
I don't like this man I hide. Everybody knows that here saying that.
Several
Several times he came here and he's been here. And him not go nowhere. When you know him been here, I don't like him I hide. Every time when you come. And you pass him on the road back and forth every single day, so I don't understand. Especially. What you do now? No, but this is somewhere I'm every day. Everybody know that you is here. You know what I don't understand, Jody? They know this man is here. They come more than once. Me have videos of me put up more than once them been coming. And they pass the man back and forth every day upon the road. You know me I wait for when you're so done to see this. Me they wait for in here so we finish to see them a come. And every time you come, I see him place to search over and over again. You can't come at people yard so often and think we go have something in here and you come every single time. So you that stupid, so? No search and try till then crooked. I mean now what? I have more than one time you search, you know, say I'm not crooked this so. When you search it till it's tired. Let me go show people from my life what I talk about. Because every single time this is what happened. People, this is something they do so often. So often, like, me used to this by now. And the funny thing, I have one car outside we burn, you know. See it? My car outside burn, this bin burn. I never ever see nobody come ask me no form of question towards this. Never. And my car in my yard burn, and a 4th time now they come here. This is going to make it 5th time now. Me have police come in my yard. Nobody no ask me about no car. Nobody no come check my safety. And this is what they keep doing. You see, man, they got my house. Him come here every time. Every single time easier. I mean, no nobody send them, you know. I know exactly where this a come from. I sent them done live, and I go get a full 100 about this. Because I know everything behind this. Now I have a little friend who they send on us. The team on up and send on come. I say work. Arkansas. I know if you're a friend of that, we send you go and search. Him say man no see third time. And end up on the road every day too. Back and front him pass we come. The cover up and the something can come off. I mean go to my bed. I did it in my bed. I want a little peace now. I'm tired of not going to wake me up 4 o'clock in the morning time, you know. I kind of get tired of this. You know, just breeze me now, man. Like, I don't want me to run with fire, so. I don't search a jar, the non-journal if you push in.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So, yeah, them a harass the family, it seem, allegedly, you know what I mean? So the people them implicated in scamming don't know how true that is. But the woman have some background. She has say, well, are your friends sending for, you know what I mean? Dig down my place. So she know the people them down at the station, obviously. You know what I mean? And she has say she can't bring no man there. So it look like say yo, something personal in it. I don't know. Anyway, it seem like the police under yard they have a problem. Alright, with that said, click the like button, you know what I mean? Share the video on the social media platforms, you know what I mean? Remember to go to isupk.com, you understand? Download the app, you know what I mean? Whole heap of information is there, especially in these crucial times. We're not going to need it, you understand? Alright, and remember, you know, no need to go to ISUPK, YouTube and Facebook. You subscribe to the YouTube and you follow up on the Facebook, you understand? Yeah, man. Good night to everybody watching. Thanks for joining us. You understand? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. You see me? Milton, it seems like a jealousy for real, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Some kind of jealousy in there. You know what I mean? Either over the woman or over something else. You get me?
Everybody know him. Everybody know this man. This man been there back and forth.
What's Morgan? Yeah, come here.
So how am I gonna come?
Not even that they no say to nobody.
How am I gonna come?
You sure want search warrant not even my name and my place.
I'm not even tell the people them why them did it.
So every time when I come in and search it gun and everything, when I come here more than once, you know. More than once. 3 times more than out of 1 month when I come here. That search a gun, so with that stupid stuff, you know, so when I come here every day and have gun in here. You're smarter than that. Me think you're smarter than that. We can pass every day upon the road and we come here and we have gun in here and you must love my house. And I must love inside here. Especially
True,
you
man,
come here
Milton.
so often.
Yo, and guess
They
what?
set you upon me. They
Guess
have
what,
to
you know?
set you upon me. Tell a friend to stop sending you at my place, man.
Alright, next one.
And months now, them a come at the woman yard, you know. Months now, you see it. So if you no feel like them involved in a something, try catch them another way.
You
If
come
you no
like you
think.
don't want to say every piece of me add on for my house. I look on the deck and looking at and nothing else no come about.
She know what go on, you know. You know what I mean? A backstory there behind this, isn't
Poor
it?
picking out of bed. I love you, don't. I go ask God if you love you leave me alone, you know, because you love me place, you know. And I go left you in a God's hands because you really love me place. You don't know who send you or where you look for, but you really love me place. Every day you pass me on the road. If you pass 10 times on the road, you have to stop me. You're loving at my house.
I'll tell you.
One if you know people are idiot if you know, so now only they come every day. Because no soup tell me say every day only him send people come here. So me are idiot if you have some illegal inside here. I am not that stupid. Me no fool. And if you don't work your right way, man, go find out who burn me car out there so. When a friend wanna send come burn me car. And I come every day they make way for people if you come kill because as far as me see it, and that I do.
Okay.
Your friend will send people come like me carry, come take the picture and ensure say job done. You know, please to leave me alone. Because God don't put nothing silent, you know. Oh.
Alright, so you hear that? Whole heap of thing to it, man. Whole heap of thing. It's just abuse them and abuse them power. You get what me I say because of some personal thing. You know what I mean? And I spoil the people them name
Me say
and I
for the
call them
next piece when it's a
scammer.
complete, me I wait for nothing come look in a house. Because when they drive past at night time and I drive come in, come look, you know. When I drive come look for which part you reach. Remember say me know what I do. Remember say me can't burn at that you know do too.
Okay. I have to remember say no for them police here in a
And them
scamming
no
thing,
drive
you
in
know.
and no take picture and no leave. Me I wonder how comes that investigation they can't done pan the car burn. I'm kind of tired down now. I want some peace. I need some peace. I'm tired down now.
Again, I don't really know if them people are scammer, you know, but this look personal. You get to me I say? Yeah, it seems like a personal thing, you know what I mean? You know, them time you can't really trust police and criminal are the same thing, you know. You know what I mean? No justice no there, not a force there, you know. You see me? Yeah man, them no different from the gunman them a road, so you know what I mean? I understand why people would have standoffish when it comes to them.
Every time police come here, come dig up them place, to leave them place dirty. I want to know who's a fool. We not target a wrong set of people, we not see that. Do the right thing, man, because you know the right thing. And stop make Badmind take on over sometime. And have make people setting up on people who they feel like when they want to setting up on. And do the right thing.
And remember to like and share this video.
Man, you know, the only thing I have and I want to blow something I want gun pan no waste. The whole way are you, man. No stop timing people, man.
All the way are one people, but you no choose to work for Babylon and oppress and own a people. That is the police
searching nothing, girl. You see when they search, him come here. Every trip they make, him is a part of the trip. Him not searching nothing. Me I tell you that. No, him not in here inside out. Him not searching nothing. Nothing him not search for.
Yeah man, remember to like the video and share, you know what I mean? Yeah. Remember to go over to isupk.com, you know what I mean? Whole heap of information over there, you know what I mean? Go over to the YouTube channel.
There's a light
as well.
for the closet, you know, sir.
ISUPK YouTube channel and Facebook, you understand? Yeah man, and just follow the pages, you know what I mean? And subscribe to the channels. Whole heap of information, trust me. You know what I mean? The best thing, you understand? Yeah man.
I'm manless, they want me in the funny year, so one man they rode me. And so then go send them. They don't want me and no man.
Okay. Boy. Something in a something. Anyway, it's not a mix-up channel. This is it. It's an information channel. We see little injustice and we say, boy, we will bring it to the people. Them. You see it? Yeah, man. So, again, we thank you for joining us. You know, we're going to close off shortly. You know, you see it? Yeah, man. And you don't know a thing, go. You know what I mean? We try to go live as often as we can.
I'm not tired. Not tired no in a him. You little friends tell him I'm not tired.
You understand? So we are going to go live as often as we can. You understand? Alright. I remember couldn't know what go on. So TVJ contact we and say, yo, here what go on. We need to take down with content or we're going to strike on the channel. So we're now able to can bring the news that way to now again. So I try to figure out a way how I can bring the news to now, you know what I mean? I don't know if I even carry the story from the Harrases' mouth directly. You get what I say? See him like how you see me post that video here and then we elaborate, we break it down. Or maybe I have to go compile different news subject because I know you just want one story, you want more than one story, you want to know what going throughout Jamaica, you get me? So what we might have to do is compile stories and then break them down, get the articles upon them, read them, you know what I mean, make you know what go on, you know what I mean, and we discuss it, you understand, between the difference between we and TVJ, you know what I mean, TVJ don't really allow a discussion, you understand, shout out to TVJ still, big up TVJ, because them could have strike my channel and them never do it, you understand, so we have to big up TVJ, you see it, so, you don't know a thing going on. Remember to like and subscribe, you know, share upon on social media platforms. You get me? Yeah man, you know the thing go. This is real Jamaica news. We are gonna bring the news to the real. You know what I mean? Yeah, we are gonna bring the news to the real. I just saw a thing go. That was the plan from the beginning. You get me? So this is how we have to go to right now. So you just bear with me, is it? Alright, so everybody just have a good night. Milton, big up yourself. Yeah, brother.